Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Yes, I say morning, but it's middle of the night really. Look at this, look at this. It's pitch black. What the heck are we doing? Anywho, it's been a while since I've done a video, and that's just because of the bad weather we've had in the UK and not being able to go out and do anything. Plus, it is a winter, but we are approaching the spring, so there will be more content. Anywho, we are heading down to Belgium. So this is a Belgium road trip. We're going down because my day job is buying and selling antiques. So we're going down to buy some antiques, hopefully, from Belgium. So, yeah, join us on our little trip via P&O ferries to Belgium.
Into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay true.
And of course, no road trip is complete without a Mackie D breakfast. Time to get back on the road. Wah, wah, wah. Only about 250 miles to go.
No matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay. Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm driving in my car, the road is long and full of dust. The landscape changes around me.
Well, folks, we have made it. We're at the port of Dover, and I'm bursting for a pee, so yeah, I'm going to head to the toilet. But anywho, I don't know if you can hear, it's a bit windy, which means the channel is a bit choppy. She's choppy. Wow. Anywho, catch you in a bit. So even though we've came in the van, and this is a line for all the vans, trucks and cars, there is still a terminal building where you can get a Burger King, Costa Coffee and go relieve oneself. Well, if you can hear me, I think we're gonna have a choppy crossing today. Hey, come on! Anywho, I paid extra, and I suggest paying extra and getting the club lounge because you get all the food you want, and for a fat like me, that's great. You get all the drink you want, all the water, all the pop, beer, wine, and spirits, and it's only 35 quid. Yeah.
And then look no further than within. I'm satisfied with what I've got and still eager for more. The change that you've been looking for will come knock on your door. On and on, on and on, on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
Because Emma needs a lift, they put us into this one next to the lift instead of taking us upstairs. Look at this! The whole ferry to herself. Keep on! Only for now. It's going to fill up, it's going to fill up. It's not a private ferry, don't worry. I think we need to try another lift because that lift was broken.
Attention aux véhicules.
Try again, eh? Anywho, 80% of you lot out there that is watching this video right now, that's right, you there, are not subscribed. So do me a favour, hit subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment down below. It really does help us out. Now, club lounge time. you what, mate, I don't like it. I don't like it. I want off. Oh my God, just chubby. Wow. Get a look at this. That food I've just ate. Fish might be getting it soon. Keep on.
Here we are, where fire meets the cold. I'll let you leave, but please come back, 'cause I'll miss you the most of all. Behold,
Best shut the doors there, because look, they're broken. What's going on? Well, I've grabbed myself some more food just because I can. That's supposed to be tomato and basil. I think somebody forgot tomato and the basil. So yeah, have myself a little bit more food. Come outside because there's France. Get in. Anywho, yeah, that pasta was supposed to be tomato and basil pasta. Somebody forgot the flavour because it was just plain. But anywho, we're nearly there and it's still windy. Tell you what, mate, we're pretty close to that land, aren't we? You better be turning, because like we're aimed right at the land at the minute. Yeah. We're just in with the trucks. Well, it was almost a deck to ourselves, wasn't it? Anywho, on to France, then on to Belgium, and then on to bed. It's not quite Star Wars, is it? It's a bit slow. And which room do you think's mine? Oh yeah, the one by itself with all the blue lights. Welcome home, you've arrived. So here we are. This is the special room that I get given. I don't need a room this big, but you know what? They offer it to me because I'm such a good customer, so I take it. Like, seriously, I don't need that amount of space, do I? Anyhow, right. Like I said before, 80% of you do not subscribe to the channel. So please hit like, hit subscribe, comment down below, do all that good stuff, share it with your friends, share it with your family, and I'll see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.